West Central area has established a career pathway in the health field sciences, and this is a program that is second to none. Especially in rural Minnesota. And we're only able to accomplish it with partnerships that we have with Prairie Ridge Hospital, Barrett Care Center, local ambulance departments, and Aero EMS education.
Or the medical careers class, we went to every department in the hospital, from the dining services to surgery, the ambulance. We also got to go to the dental office, the vet, and the chiropractor. I kind of knew that I wanted to go into dental hygiene, but doing that made me want to go into it more. It was fun to look at each of all of the options that the medical field has to offer. So it was a lot of fun looking to see what more there was than what you thought. Yeah, you definitely build relationships with everyone there, especially at the hospital.
Careers pathway.
Yeah, so some of the classes in our health field careers pathway are our EMT and first responder class, our CNA class, and our health field science class. EMT and first responder go off of state and national certifications, as well as our CNA class. So we have a nurse come in and help teach that class, and they get licensed through the Department of Health. And then our health field science class actually goes out and does 2-week internships with different areas throughout the hospital, a veterinary clinic, a dental office, and a chiropractor office.
I also took the first responder class and the CNA class. I took the first responder class knowing I wanted to go in the medical field. So it just had a broader aspect in learning new skills that I could have. With the CNA class, I was a home health aide at the age of 16, and I wanted to expand my knowledge more in that area. So that's why I also took the CNA class, and taking the CNA class, I got paid more.
There you should be able to hear her heartbeat.
Do you hear it?
Okay, so now pump it up till you don't hear it anymore. So let's go to 130. Yeah, so their first responder certification is a state certification that allows them to go out and practice with the local volunteer fire department or ambulance district, and go out and help the community with patients on 911 calls and car accidents and stuff like that. The EMT class is a national certification through the National Registry of Emergency Medical Technicians, and that allows them to travel anywhere throughout the United States and get a job as an EMT. And then it's also a pathway, it's kind of an entering point into a paramedic school. The CNA is a state certification, so those folks that take that can go and work in nursing homes, care facilities, hospitals, anywhere that the higher CNA is. So it opens up the door for a lot of that. Our healthcare sciences class, when they go on their internships and their job shadowing experiences, it kind of gives them a taste of how a hospital runs, how a vet clinic, a dentist office, or a chiropractor office runs, and so they can see if it's really a right fit for them as a career choice later on.
I think the community has a lot to offer for all of us.
Yeah, so in rural Minnesota, if you talk to anybody, we're always short of healthcare professionals at any level. Whether it's first responders, EMTs on our volunteer services in our rural areas, or our CNAs in all of our care facilities. we're just always short of help. And so to be able to grow our own people in-house and in our community to help serve in their community after graduation has just been a huge benefit.
Can you think of a success story or two of kids that have kind of gone through the program and maybe gone on? And
So the one that really sticks in my head is a kid, my first year here. I was teaching first responder, and he came back to school here for his senior year because he didn't really like the school he was at before. He didn't know what he wanted to do. He grew up on a farm but knew he didn't want to farm. So he was really confused. And throughout class, it got to the point where he'd come in after school and sit and talk with me. And so I kind of, told him about what life as a first responder is like, and he got more and more interested. Well, after he graduated here with his first responder, he went and took an EMT class on his own and passed that. He then realized he wanted to be a paramedic, so he went and got his paramedic certification, and now he's working as a paramedic on 2 different ambulance services in the area. So it's kind of fun to see somebody who really didn't know what they wanted to do and what they wanted to be, that now has a career in paramedicine.
You take the classes, they're a lot of fun. You learn new things and things that you never thought you'd want to do.